Thanks for clicking on this video. So this video is a road update of a road that is being, should I say, constructed or reconstructed in Aba, Abia State. So this is the popular Portharcourt Road in Aba, Abia State. So this road you are seeing here now that is under construction is going to be the fastest way to Portharcourt from Aba. Okay, so this road was awarded by, I think, the governor, able governor of Abia State, His Excellency Governor Alex Chioma Oti. So I'm going to take you down so that you can see the extent this road, is being done. Okay, so you can see beside the road. You see this particular area now is blocked. Then you can see beside the road. I think those things you are seeing there, I think they are going to be used to cover the drainage. Okay, you can see how wide the road is, and you can see front there's a tractor there. You can see this thing now very clearly. I think it's what is going to be used to cover the gutter, right? Okay, so I'm going to take you down now. I'm going to take you down. When this road is done, this place is going to be fine. It's going to be so nice, okay? And it's going to make movement to be easy. Now, people fly through the other road, I think Oriental Road, while going to Portharcourt, right? And you pass through a chair. But if this road is done, it's one way direct to PH. I don't know if it's Julius Berger that is doing this road because I'm seeing their trucks here. I think it's Julius Berger. So I'm going to take you down so that so that make you see how about the be now. Okay, the full video is on my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Discover with Jesse. Just go on YouTube and search Discover with Jesse. You watch the full video, and not just this video. You watch all the whole update of road construction in Abia State. It's there my channel. I always post it on my channel. And when you're on my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Subscription is free. Just click the subscribe button, and when you click the subscribe button, you like, and you are free to also share the video. Click the notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be notified. Okay, so when Nigerian get worozie now, okay, you watch the video to the end and see what is going on here.